Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting and unexpected unboxing. Yes, you read the thumbnail right. We have a Coach unboxing. Now before we get started, I'm Jamie, and on this channel we talk about all things luxury handbags, neutrals, and elevated style. Okay guys, let's get into this exciting unboxing. Now where to begin? Let's see, my last Chicago vlog, I talked about going to the Oakbrook Mall with Caleb and Zane, and we checked out a couple stores. One of the stores was Coach, and I remember telling Caleb at the time that, I don't ever buy anything from Coach. It got me thinking when I was looking at some of the work handbags from YSL, and I really fell in love with the Jamie bag. Obviously, with it being a big work bag, it's Jamie and I'm Jamie, but I was like, that is a lot of money for a work bag. And if you guys know, I actually use a Madewell tote for my work bags. So it got me thinking that this bag would be a perfect upgrade to my Madewell tote. I'm still undecided about the Jamie bag, but if you guys know, I've been talking about the Bottega Veneta handbags as more of my top bags. If I'm gonna go into designer bags, those would be the ones. And I am late to the game, guys, on this particular one, but I couldn't get it out of my mind. And I'm excited to try this one. And without further ado, the Coach Empire. I'm so excited about this. This is in the soft Coach Empire, in the size 40, in the Merlot, in this beautiful burnished ombre effect at the top. So it's got that little bit of the black. Yeah. So this is my new work bag, and it retails around like $800, which is definitely better than the YSL Jamie bag price point. Like I said, I was very tempted to get the YSL, but I'm really not looking for a designer bag to spend that money on a work bag yet. For that one in particular, I really love burgundy bags, so I guess this kind of checks the box when it comes to a burgundy handbag on my 2025 wish list, right? So this Merlot, it's so pretty. I definitely think this is better in person, and it's got the grained leather. Just from reading and watching some of the videos online, they have the Empire comes in that glove tan leather if it's some of the smaller sizes, I believe. And then this one in particular, the size 40, comes in the grained. And I think I definitely prefer more of the grain. I just like some of the texture. You can see how the light hits it. It looks so beautiful. I also like that this has minimal branding. Right here you can see Coach here. I'm told you can get this monogrammed here for free, which is great, but I was definitely looking for a bag that could fit my laptop, and it's got one big compartment. Like I said, I am late to the game when it came to the hype about this bag. I remember when this bag launched earlier on, but I was actually eyeing more the Brooklyn. This bag in particular, they had in the store at Oakbrook, they had a navy, the honey brown, but I really fell in love with this colorway. Out of all the colors, I thought this was the best one for me. And I can see how people want to get this bag in multiple sizes. Look at how squishy this is. The soft Empire version, which is crazy, but I actually love that. It's gonna be the perfect kind of work bag. I love a good top handle, so to me it's like I'm gonna carry it. Let's see, carry it, crook of the arm, perfect. It does have the strap here. I know people have been saying that this bag gives a little bit of the Ro Margot vibes to it. I definitely think that would be interesting if I end up getting a smaller version. They could do a nice comparison with my Ro Margot bag. But yeah, this guy, I love it. Definitely this is a beautiful handbag for Coach, and I think this was probably makes so much sense for me to get into this Coach brand, and I'm a former customer. And we're talking about back in college when I had one of those nice shoulder bags, small one at the time. But since then, I really haven't gotten into Coach. I pretty much went from those days back in college to ultimately getting more into designer handbags. But let's see, can my laptop fit in this bag? I'm super curious, so let's go check it out. Okay, I've got my MacBook Pro. Oh, wow, it's perfect. There we go. You can see it's in there. And I can easily zip it. Oh, wow. I'm excited about this one. So I realized I did not fully tell my story about this handbag. So after much thought about my work handbag, I decided, you know what? I've always wondered about Coach, so perhaps let's try it out. It's certainly better than the designer handbag price point, and you love burgundy. So what did I do? I decided to place an order online and pick it up in store. So you can see a clip of me with this big old shopping bag, and here we are. Okay guys, well that is it for this exciting and unexpected reveal. What do you think? I'm so excited. Let me know, should I add more Coach handbags to my collection? If I do, I like the 28 size, the 26. I could see maybe that would be the black handbag that I add to my collection. I don't know. But I do like this leather in this grained leather material. I think it's really pretty. So we're gonna rock this for the work, and we'll go from there. Anyways, let me know your guys' thoughts, comments below. Love to hear it. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.